We are here to place our grievances before the government of Arunachal Pradesh through your medium. Before that, I would like to thank the Arunachal Pradesh Club to give us this opportunity to place our long, unheard apathy faced by the homeopathy, Ayurveda, and dental surgeons working as contractual doctors under various programs of National Health Mission. We are very hopeful that the present government, led by the young and dynamic leader Shri Pema Khanduji, the Honorable Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh, will give us due attention to our unheard grievances and shall take immediate action for the betterment of the health fraternity. So, just a small briefing. National Health Mission is a nationally envisioned program by the Government of India, which was established in Arunachal Pradesh in the year 2005. Since then, it has played a crucial role in the healthcare facility, both in preventive and curative aspect in the most rural and non-motorable areas of the state by streamlining the doctors of different branches like allopathy, dental surgeons, homeopathy, Ayurveda, and Unani. So at present, there are 5 allopathy doctors, 43 dental surgeons, 11 Ayurveda doctors, and 78 homeopathy doctors, with total number of over 137 doctors who have been serving for several years as contractual doctors under NHM. So, what does these doctors do? These aforementioned doctors are absorbed in various streamlined branches of NHM, such as GDMO, which is known as General Duty Medical Officer, RBSK Medical Officer, National Oral Health Program Dental Surgeons, and District Early Intervention Center. However, once employed under service, we do not only focus on our specified branches, but for many years have helped out in filling the regular OPDs, emergency duties, various other newly launched programs, health camps, also managing the CHCs and PHCs and miscellaneous other projects to serve the society selflessly while gaining years of service experience within the system. So, since the very inception of NHM in 2005, in Arunachal Pradesh, these doctors have been regularized from NHM on the seniority basis. Here, I would really like to thank and appreciate the important decision taken by the government of Arunachal Pradesh that has been regularizing the contractual doctors working under NHM since the very beginning on seniority basis. So, on that very note, taking into consideration the years of our experience and our dedicated service, I would like to humbly place our first and foremost demand, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, to fast-track the regularization of the doctors who have completed more than 3 years of their contractual service and counting within the system.
जितने भी है जो यंग डॉक्टर्स है कुछ साल के बाद में उनका रेगुलर हो जाता है, तो ये ट्रेंड को मैं काफ़ी अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ। तो इसीलिए हमारा जो अल्टीमेट जितने भी हमारे जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है, हमारे जो मेहनत है, आवर एनर्जी, आवर कंट्रीब्यूशन टुवर्ड्स द सिस्टम, तो जो नाम मैंने लिया है, जो होम्योपैथी डॉक्टर्स, आयुर्वेदिक डॉक्टर्स, डेंटल सर्जन जितने भी सालों से जो काम कर रहे हैं, हम सब का 2 पॉइंट डिमांड है सरकार से। those 2 point demand to our government is the immediate regularization of all the contractual doctors working under National Health Mission on seniority basis. All contractual doctors to be entitled a basic salary of minimum of rupees 50,000 from the point of recruitment. इसमें मैं एक बात आपको क्लियर कर देना चाहता हूँ कि जैसे मेरे लर्नड कॉलिग ने कहा है कि कुछ ऐसे भी डॉक्टर हैं जिनका सैलरी ओनली 23,000 है, जिनका ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ अपॉइंटमेंट। ये जो है सरासर नाइंसाफ़ी है हमारे लिए, क्योंकि हम जो काम करते हैं इन कंपैरिजन टू दैट इज़ अ वेरी मीगर अमाउंट। तो सरकार से हम अपील करते हैं कि मिनिमम 50,000 रुपीज़ फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ अपॉइंटमेंट फिक्स करने से ठीक है।